Okay, let us start the session today. So, in the exercise 6.3, till the 12th problem we have completed yesterday, isn't it? Is it audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let us see here. 12th problem we have completed, and same 12th and a little bit 14th, both the problems will looks like in a similar way. They are not similar, but they looks like a similar way. Did you get my point? Is the presentation is visible to you? So difference, what is the difference between these two problems? You try to observe. And the 13th problem is very simple. It is, you can do it. I will not even discuss this problem also. This you complete as a homework. What is given here? Just okay. Let us see. You may get out. D is a point on the BC of the triangle ABC, such that, sorry, such that here triangle ABC you take into consider A, B, C. In this triangle, D is a point like this, such that ADC, this angle, and BAC, this angle. Okay, these two angles are equal. It is given. So now, if you take the triangle ADC and BAC, and in that C angle C is a common. So by AA similarity, these two triangles, which two triangles? ADC triangle, ADC. Whenever you say ADC and BAC triangles, both these two triangles will be congruent. Sorry, similar. So when these two triangles are similar, corresponding sides will be in a proportion. You take the corresponding sides proportionality, and you are going to get the required result here, whatever it is asking to you to find out. So CA square, whatever it is asking to, that you can find out. It's very simple problem. I think you can do it. Okay. If not, can you do it? Or explain. Complete solution explain करूं? Okay, you are getting doubt, I think so. So see the 13th one. Triangle ABC is given to you here, and D is a point, such that what is given here? Given angle ADC is equals to angle BAC. This angle and this angle. So what triangles to be taken into consider in triangle ADC and triangle BAC? These two triangles you take into consider. And in this triangle, angle ADC is equals to angle BAC. It is given. Okay. So in this triangle, angle ACD is equals to, in this triangle, angle BCA. BCR ABC. ACD is equals to BCA. So because common, it is common, isn't it? So therefore, by AA criteria, you can say that by AA similarity, so you can say that the triangle ADC is similar to triangle BAC. When these two triangles are similar, you can say that their corresponding sides are in proportion. Corresponding sides बोले तो AD एक side है, AD by BA is equals to DC by AC is equals to AC by BC. But actually here the question is asking to you to prove. Question क्या पूछ रहा है here? You see the question here, what is asking? CA square by CB into CD. CA square by CA square is equals to CB into CD is nothing but CA into CA is equals to CB into CD. So ये CA को इधर लेके जाओ, either CB or CD को इधर लेके जाओ. So you are going to get CA two times. You are having CA square na. simply you try to note that CA is you are having 2 times. So that is nothing but you need to take the ratio in which CA is there. So CA here किधर किधर है इसमें AC है excuse me, and here also AC, ये दोनों में है AC है. So this one is not necessary to us here, इधर हमको जरूरत नहीं है. तो ये दोनों ratios ले take into consider. So what you are going to get here, AC into AC. So AC you can write as a CA also, isn't it? AC square is equals to DC into BC. So that can be written as CA square is equals to DC into BC. See, whenever you write this side as a, this is the length of the side. Length of the side, na, you can write CD or DC. It doesn't matter. If you write the CD or DC, the both the gives the same meaning. Okay? Did you understand this one? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Huh? Okay. So now let us move to the next problem. This is a little bit different problem, and it is useful to you. Actually, very simple problem. This one, 13th one. So now let us try to understand the 14th problem, and very important also. See the question here. Question thoda sa dekh lo. And what is the difference between the 12th and 14th? You try to note here. थोड़ा नोट करो उसमें 12th में क्या दे दिया, ट्रायंगल ABC दिया है, इधर ABC, just rough diagram I am giving to you, and PQR is given to you. ABC and PQR is given to you. So here AB PQ AC is not given to you in the 12th problem. BC by QR is given, and AD PM are given. Most of the students what they will do when the question is asked 14th question, इधर क्या पूछ लिया है, AB AC, उधर AB BC, देखो AB BC and median AD. Okay, but here what is difference क्या है, AB AC and median AD given are proportional to the PQ PR and PM. So this is the difference here. In the 12th problem, AB, BC and AD median, PQ, QR and PM median. So these are the things here it is given to you. Okay? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Difference if you are understand. Then asking to you in both the cases, triangle ABC and PQR are similar बोल के prove करना है. Okay? So that is the thing here asking to you. So let us see here this problem very clearly, and it is very important also in the examination point of view also whenever you see this one. Okay? So 14th question here, what is given? Sorry, 14th one. Triangle ABC you take into consideration. Figure I am drawing here, and A, B, C, and triangle P, Q, R, and median is given to you here AD. AD is the median, and PM is the also median. Okay. So now here what is given here in this given, what is given here, AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR is equals to AD by PM, and also D is the median. So D is the midpoint, AD is the median, AD and PM are the medians. AD comma PM are medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR respectively, because we are writing two things here. So whenever you are taking here, from this what you can say, BD is equals to DC you can say, and QM is equals to MR you can say. isn't it? Median is nothing but ये part को equal parts होता है, D is the midpoint होता है here ये. So now here little bit construction you need to do this problem to solve. Actually what is given here previously in the previous problem 12th problem में, here it is in the 12th problem compare करो तो AB BC PQ QR and this one is given. So when it is given ये दोनों का ratio में by 2 कर लिया, so BD आ गया. Then we came into this triangle and this triangle similar आ गया. From that you came this angle, this angle. So our intention in that problem what here angle B angle Q equal. Why? Already it is given that AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. So included angle equal prove कर दिया तो हमारा काम खत्म. So that is we have proved by SAS similarity we have proved in that problem. Here what is given AB by PQ equal to AC by PR given. That means what we need to prove ये angle इसको equal बोल के prove करना. Okay, to prove that first we will prove that this angle equal to this angle, similarly this angle equal to this angle. For that purpose you need a small construction. So construction what here ये D को extend कर लो to the point of E or E or another any point you can take into consider. Okay, extend AD to the E such that AD is equals to DE. AD DE equal होने तक ये इसको equal होने के तक इसको extend करो and extend PM to the N. ये PM also to the N and N point को extend करो. ये भी सही है same ये दोनों equal होने के जैसा such that PM is equals to MN. So now if you and join this ये B E को join करो C E को join करो Q N को join करो R sorry और N को join करो. So what these quadrilaterals becomes now ABEC is a parallelogram. Why? Because ये diagonals bisecting each other. So diagonals bisect each other is nothing but it is a parallelogram. So in quadrilaterals bisecting each other is here already we have proved BD is equals to DC prove कर लिया, AD is equals to DE. So that is nothing but diagonals bisect na in quadrilateral, but here while naming quadrilateral you have to be very careful. ABEC and PQ NR are parallelograms because diagonals bisect each other. Okay, is it okay? So when these diagonals bisect each other, here the question is given to you that quadrilateral diagonals ये these parallelograms हो गया. So these two parallel. Our intention is to prove this angle and this angle. दोनों angles equal है बोलते. What are that? This angle and this angle. To prove that angles are equal, here it is given that. Sorry. So no one is identifying. Question में क्या लिखा हूँ मैं? AB by PQ equal to BC by QR लिखा. BC by QR 12th problem में. Here AC by PR is given. What is given here? Here AC by PR. You read the question. See the question here. Question देख लो. ABAC. See the question. ABAC and median AD of triangle ABC. PQPR. That is nothing but AB by PQ, AC by PR and AD by PM. These are all proportion. They are in proportion में है वो. Okay? समझ में आ रहा है ना? Is it clear? So थोड़ा सा ध्यान.
Yes, sir.
If I am doing some mistake also, then you should be ready to identify. Sir, उधर AC by PR होना है आपने BC by I have written BC by QR and you have not identified. That means you are not concentrating. So here, see here, whenever it becomes a parallelogram हो गया तो AC will be equals to B opposite sides. This implies AC will be equals to B and this PR will be is equals to QN. Opposite sides of parallelogram. Opposite sides of parallelogram. ये double L means like this short form of writing the parallelogram, but you don't write in your notebook like that. This is parallelogram. As this there is no space here where I am writing here, I am using this one, but you don't write. So now here what to do? ये AC का place में here in that place you can replace B in the PR place. You can replace in the place of PR here QN replace कर सकते हैं. So what do you get? AB by PQ is equals to AC is replaced with BE. BE by QN and ये इधर 2 multiply करता हूँ मैं 2 AD. Double of AD is nothing but ये है. In this, what I will do here, AC will be replaced by BE and PR is replaced by QN and 2 multiply here in the numerator and denominator. Because for the any ratio, if you multiply the 2 in the numerator and denominator, the value does not changes. Its value does not changes now. The ratio does not changes. 1 by 2 and 2 by 4 both are equal. So if you multiply the 1 by 2 in the numerator and denominator by the 2, you are going to get the same. So why I have to do like that? If I multiply the 2, ये complete आ जाएगा. So it's 1 by this one, this one by this one, this one by this one. So from that you will come to know that these two triangles, ABE triangle, PQN triangle are similar. When they are similar, this angle equal to this angle. In the same way, you can prove that ACE triangle, PRN triangle are also similar. So that this angle equal to this angle. So this angle equal to this one, this angle equal to this one. Then the complete angle BAE and QPR. BAE. Is it visible to you? BAE and QPR. These two angles will be equal. So from that what you get? AB by already given AB by PQ equal to AC by PR and included angle you are getting. Did you understand from here? Still steps are there, but I have explained mostly everything here itself. So what to do here? Next step में क्या करना है? ये दोनों replace करना है BE QN and 2 multiply करना है. So therefore, what you are going to get here? Let us write here. AB by PQ is equals to, therefore AB by PQ is equals to what is there? AC by PR, but AC will be replaced by BE QN. So BE by QN you are going to get. So what do you get? BE by QN, which is equals to, and 2 times of AD. 2 multiply कर रहा हूँ मैं 2 AD by 2 PM. So from this what you can say, AB by PQ is equals to BE by QN is equals to 2 times of AD can be written as AE and 2 times of PM can be written as PN. Okay, so therefore triangle, if you want, I am drawing here like this. You are having A, B, C, here D, and this is a point E. Here triangle PQR, if you are taking into consider, PM is a median. Again I am drawing the figure. N is here, so that easily you can understand little bit. Confusion I have. So now what is AB by PQ, BE by QN, and AE by PM. So that is nothing but by S similarity. What is similarity here we are using? Anyone please give the reply. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So SSS, three sides. So which two triangles similar here? Triangle ABE is similar to triangle. People, can you answer if you are listening? People, can you answer? Trisha, can you answer? Triangle ABE is similar to which triangle? Just now I said, but also you are not able to do it.
Sir,
Ah,
angle PQN.
angle PQN.
And
Very good. Angle PQN. So therefore, if these two triangles are similar, you can say that angle BAE is equals to angle QPN.
QPN.
Yes, very good. So similarly, here no need to write complete all the steps again. You can write similarly. You can prove that triangle ACE triangle is similar to triangle ACE is similar to triangle. Nabanita, can you say? AC is similar to what triangle? Hmm? Your voice is not audible. Maudipa, you say. Maudipa. Okay. So PRN. This one. So from this, what you can say? This angle. What is angle? Angle CAE is equals to angle RPN. So angle RPN. Then after that, from these two, you can say that from 1 and 2, you can say that angle BAC is equals to angle QPR. How? If you add BAE and CAE, what do you get? BAC you will get. If you are getting confused here with the data, BAE, this one, and CAE, this one, ये दोनों को ऐड कर लिया तो ये एंगल हो जाएगा BAC. ऐड कर लिया दिस BAE CAE. QPN and RPN ऐड करो. QPN and RPN. ये दोनों को ऐड करो. This angle you are going to get. QPN is nothing but this one. RPN is nothing but this one. So what you are going to get? QPR. You are going QPR. So now what you got here from this? It is given that given AB by PQ is equals to AC by PR, and proved angle BA, what is angle? BAC, this one, BAC equal to QPR. So included angle now. BAC is equals to angle QPR. So therefore, by SAS similarity, you can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is the only one problem which is very lengthy in this exercise, but it is very important also. Okay, so now let us see the next question here. It's very simple here. I'm going to explain to you here itself the 15th problem. 15th problem dekh lo. So a vertical pole of the length 6 meters. Vertical pole of the length 6 meters. ये pole है 6 meters है this length. Cast shadow of the 4 meters. इसका shadow 4 meters होता. So that is nothing but it is going to get a right angle triangle. Same time on the ground, at the same time a tower cast shadow of 28 meters long. ये tower है, tower थोड़ा lengthy होता है, and its shadow length is 28 meters. Find the length of the tower. तो ये इसका length find out करना है. So both are will be perpendicular only, and as the same time it is given to you, time whenever it is given to you, these angles will be equal. So then these two triangles are similar. Two triangles. This one you consider as a x. So when the two triangles are similar, you can say that 6 by x is equals to 4 by 28. Their corresponding sides will be in a proportion. Isn't it? 6 by x, this one by this one is equal to 4 by 28. So now what do you get from this? 4x is equals to 6 into 28. No need to multiply the 6 and 28. Directly 4 7 the. So x is equals to 7 6 42. So that is nothing but the height of the tower is, tower का height 42 होता है. ये दोनों same ratio में होता है. Why? Because the two triangles forming triangular shape में form होता है. Because as they are at the same time में होता है तो sunlight ऊपर से इसमें fall होता है, and इधर भी sunlight इधर से इसमें fall होता है. So then the angle formed here will be equal, and this angle will be equal. By the AA similarity, these two triangles will be similar. That you have to write. Okay, I think you can write it. It's very simple to you to find out. So now next to 16th problem also it is easy. Once just I will discuss and let us close it. AD and PM are the medians of the triangle ABC and PQR. So same model problem here. ABC triangle and PQR triangle. ये median है, ये median बोला है. AD, PM are the median. This is P. Respectively, where already it is given these two triangles are similar. When these two triangles are similar, you can say that AB by PQ. पूरा clumsy हो रहा होगा. And AB by PQ, it is given that ABC triangle and PQR triangle are similar. So you can say that AB by PQ equal to AC by PR is equals to BC by QN. Okay, and asking to you that AB by PQ equal to AD by PM. What is asking? AB by PQ equal to AD by PM is asking you. So how can you prove? First, for that you need to prove these two triangles are similar. ये दोनों triangles similar prove करना है. ABD and PQM are similar prove करना. For that, already it is given that these two triangles are similar. ये दोनों similar दे दिया है. So from that angle B equal to angle Q हो जाएगा. And it is given that AB by BC is equals to PQ by QR. So BC में half, ये median बोला है ना, BC में half क्या होगा? BD होगा. And QR में half क्या होगा? QM होगा. By 2 करना है. इधर 12th problem में हम लोग कर दिया है. So what do you get here from that? AB by PQ equal to BD by QM is equals to, and angle B equal to angle Q आएगा. Therefore these two triangles are similar आ जाएगा. From that you can say that AB by PQ equal to AD by PM. I think you can do it, and you try this one as a homework. Okay, and complete the problem.